Diamond, double diamond, that sounds fancy and expensive. And it is a fancy way of describing a pretty logical design process in 4 stages. We're gonna go fast, so pay attention. We'll start here, on the left side. This is the discovery phase. Find what the users need, and usually they need a lot of things. Sort through what they say, then narrow it down to what problem you want to solve and pick one thing. In our case, the problem is login sucks. Problem defined, so let's go to the second diamond and prototype a couple of solutions and test them. Check how well they perform. The last step is picking the best one and pushing it to all the users, so everyone gets a simpler login form. You can use any tools or methods for the specific phases as long as it allows you to go to the next one. The left sides of the diamonds are divergences, meaning thinking broadly about a lot of things. Then the right edges converge those broad concepts into a single thing like an idea or a solution. This is a 100% logical approach on what steps to take to make a design better. The problem is that it can be simply summarized by: we will figure out users plus business needs using research. We'll pick one main problem to solve. We prototype some solutions and then test them. And we deliver the best one to all users. This is a lot easier to understand for stakeholders than a double diamond, but doesn't sound as fancy and expensive. Do you get it now? Let me know in the comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.